wanted to get this out before Thursday night, so we're gonna show, we'll do a few of these with the new dashboards and stuff, but we're gonna show the projections dashboard today. I'm just gonna share the screen and go through it. This one's pretty straightforward, so people should be able to figure it out, but it might help to just to see if someone be clicking around. Let me, took me, I don't know, okay, OCD on there, I guess. Doesn't matter what's on the desktop. So here's the projections. This tab right here, player projections, is just the actual DraftKings total projection. It doesn't break it down by statistic or anything. Over here, you can pick by team, you can pick by game. So if you just want to see, Kansas City and Arizona, you can go see that. Stuff like that. So very self-explanatory. I won't waste your time there. I don't know how this looks on mobile. Probably a little bit worse, but it will all work fine. You can use this to just pick positions if you're just looking to pick a quarterback or something and you want to see which quarterbacks are projecting best by salary or total projection, whatever. If you want to do stuff like this where you want to see, okay, only show me players, I want to see what running backs have a pretty high projection as well as a pretty good price considered value mark. You can say, show me only running backs projected for 15 or more points right there, and get rid of the guys that aren't projected above at least a 2.5 value mark. So there's your 5 results, right? And these guys are all above 15 fantasy points and above 2.5 on the value there. Now, the key thing when you're messing with this, you can refresh and it'll undo all of your selections. But if you don't want to refresh, you really have to focus on clearing all of these, because if you leave one on and you forget about it, you're not going to see the full results. So just make sure all of the filters are cleared and stuff like that. I'm eventually going to try to figure out a way to, I know DraftKings does, they do showdown slates for more games, like the Sunday games too. I doubt many people play those, but it would be nice for me to be able to have the salaries for both shown for everybody, and then just like a selector over here to show which salaries we want to see. But I will figure that out eventually, but it's not there this week. So right now you're seeing showdown salaries for this Bills game. It's pretty self-evident. Any of these prices are crazy high. It's a showdown. And then you can just do that here with that slide down. That'll just show you the showdown games, which for now it's only going to be the Thursday night game. If you want to see just the Sunday main slate, that's the Sunday 1 and 4 o'clock games, you can use this slider or this checkbox. So that gets rid of the Thursday, Sunday, and Monday night games. Okay, so if you want to go more high level and just see the game stuff, I just slapped this table in here. This is very easy information to get elsewhere, but it's all right here for you. This is the game over under, team implied points, spread, money line, and the total fantasy point projection. That's just the sum of what you see here. So if you pick the Cardinals, what you see in that column we were just looking at is just the sum of this column. That adds up, in this case, to be whatever, 110.9 points, Okay, the other thing I added is the stats behind it. So this is also pretty self-explanatory. Pass yard projection, pass interception, rush attempts, rush yards, rush touchdowns, receptions yards, and receptions touchdowns. And then this number will add all that up to DraftKings points. That does not exactly match these. You won't see an exact match here because I just did it 2 different ways. If I maybe mess with this, maybe it'll change. But right now, I don't want to get into the technical details of it. But those numbers won't match, and that's normal and expected, so don't worry about that. But yeah, if you just want to see quarterbacks, you can do that here, just like that. One thing I like to do is show me the guys that we expect to have a rushing role and a pass catching role. Show me the 10 plus rush attempts and the 3 plus reception projected players, and here they are, stuff like that. So that's good. I recommend using it on an iPad or a PC, laptop. I will always recommend that. Works a little bit better, looks a little bit better, and that's how I kind of design it. So, all right, hope this helps. Thanks for being a subscriber. If you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, sign up and you can get this every week, updated on probably Tuesdays or Wednesdays and updated throughout the week. I should say published Tuesdays and updated throughout the week the whole way up to Sunday morning. Thanks a lot.